Moto G6 Play surface in a short hands-on video. Despite a few delays, Motorola is still planning to release a new Moto series of affordable handsets. By all accounts, the launch event will be held on April 19 in Brazil, and the lineup will include the Moto G6, G6 Plus and G6 Play. The latter of the three devices was spotted in a very short clip. Despite its mismatched title, we are pretty confident the G6 Play starts in the video since the single main camera is clearly visible, plus leak on the Moto G6 family have been rather evident, leaving little to the imagination. As per current info, the Moto G6 Play will feature a 5.7-inch LCD with HD Plus resolution. The chipset is rumored to be Snapdragon 430 with an octa-core CPU and up to 1.4 GHz clock speed. The single camera will likely be a 13 megapixels one with rapid focus technology. The battery should have 4000 mAh capacity, while the operating system is most likely to be the Android Oreo 8.0. The Moto G6 Play is expected to retail at around $200. If you want more power, $50 or so extra should get your regular Moto G6, complete with Snapdragon 450 and a dual camera setup on the back with 12 megapixels plus 5 megapixels. Moto G6 Play hands-on video.